Welcome. This is your time to rest. Let yourself settle into a comfortable position, lying on your back with your arms resting gently at your sides and your eyes softly closed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting the weight of your body sink fully into the bed or surface beneath you. There's nothing you need to do right now. No thoughts to follow. No place to be. Just this moment of quiet rest. Let's begin our gentle journey through the body, moving from the feet all the way up to the face, softening and relaxing each part as we go. Bring your attention now to your feet, starting with your toes. Notice any sensations here. You might feel warmth, coolness, tingling, or nothing at all. Just observe. Let your toes soften and release as if they were melting into the bed. Now bring your awareness to the soles of your feet. Feel the heaviness here, the contact with the surface beneath you. Allow the soles to relax, the arches to soften, and the heels to grow heavier. Let go of any tension, as if you're releasing the effort of the entire day through your feet. Move your attention to your ankles, noticing the simple joint that supports your movements throughout the day. Let the ankles soften now. No holding, no resistance, just ease. Now shift your awareness up into your lower legs, your calves and shins. Feel the muscles here. And with your next breath, invite a wave of softness to move through them. Let the calves release, as if warm water is washing through them, rinsing away any tightness. Allow your shins to rest in stillness. Bring your focus to your knees. So much weight is carried through these joints. Let them unlock, relax, and surrender to gravity. Now move into your upper legs, your thighs. Feel the muscles of the quadriceps and hamstrings begin to loosen. Let go of any gripping, any stored effort, and invite spaciousness into your thighs. Feel them grow heavier with each breath, fully supported by the bed beneath you. Now notice both of your legs together from hips to toes, completely relaxed and deeply at ease. Imagine a gentle wave of calm flowing through your legs, carrying away anything they no longer need to hold. Feel them grounded, steady, still. Bring your awareness to your hips and pelvis now. This area stores so much emotion and energy. See if you can allow the muscles here to soften, letting go of any tension or clenching. Let your belly be soft. No need to hold it in. Allow the breath to move naturally, expanding and releasing with ease. Now gently bring your attention to your lower back. Feel the muscles here. Notice any sensation. With each exhale, allow your lower back to soften and spread into the mattress, as if the spine is settling into the earth. Bring awareness to your chest now. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. There's no need to change anything. Just notice the natural rhythm. Let your chest open gently and release any tension held in the rib cage. Shift your focus to your upper back and shoulder blades. These areas often carry weight and strain. With your next breath, imagine them widening and releasing into the bed, softening with gravity. Let your shoulders drop. Let them melt downward, no effort at all. Now move into your arms, starting with your upper arms. Feel them grow heavier. Let the elbows rest. Bring your awareness into your forearms, softening the muscles there. Now into the wrists and the hands. Let the palms open naturally, fingers relaxed, not gripping. Feel each finger soften one by one until both arms are completely still. Now bring your attention to your neck and throat. Release any tension you might be holding here. Let the back of the neck be long, and let the front of the throat be soft. No need to hold your head up. Let it be fully supported. Soften your jaw. Let your teeth part slightly, and allow your tongue to rest gently in your mouth. Release any tension in the cheeks, around the mouth, and in the space between your eyebrows. Smooth out the forehead, soften around the eyes, and let the eyelids be heavy and relaxed. Feel your scalp soften and allow the crown of your head to gently rest. Now feel your entire head relaxed, at ease, and still. From the tips of your toes to the top of your head, your entire body is now in a state of calm and comfort. You are completely supported, completely safe, and gently drifting towards sleep. Take a few moments to rest in this stillness. If the mind wanders, gently return to the breath or the sensation of your body resting. There's nothing more you need to do. Let each breath guide you deeper into peace, deeper into rest, deeper into sleep. You are held. You are calm. You are ready to sleep.